Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to download driver on HUION Keydial KD200. So as you can see, I'm already in the desktop, but all you need is a computer or any other device. You just go and type HUION, and once you go to their website, you will see support and click on download center. Click on download center. You can click driver and manual. Select whichever option you have. In our case, it's a pen tablet. Click the Inspire, and you just need to look for our one, KD200. Let me see. You just need to look for this. Yes, so it's in the Inspire Pro category, and all you need to do is just click download, and as you will just click I agree, make sure you read the user agreement, and then it's installing. And as you will see, once we launch it, it should be it. Share data, and as you see, that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.